What's up, guys? You know, it's too hot out there in Ukraine, but it's a pity that looking at the market, it doesn't share our summer mood. But whatever, today we're going to speak about the market, Bitcoin ETFs, and all the news about upcoming ICO projects. Alright guys, as always, trading view Bitcoin dollar 1 day. So here we got the red line, it's a 200 moving average, and as you can see, we had 4 bounces from this moving average, and as probably most of you know, the more bounces from the more bounces we have, the bigger possibility to break the support level. So actually that's it on this chart. And as I told you in previous video, I don't want to make any short-term predictions, but in mid and long term we are very bullish, and as we mentioned in previous video, we had a number of reasons for that, and one more very important reason, it's about Bitcoin ETFs. On this picture we see Bitcoin and gold charts being compared. So as you see, they are almost the same. And speaking about gold, after gold ETF was introduced, its price has tripled comparing to the all-time high in 1980. Speaking about Bitcoin price, if ETF is introduced, the price could be about $60,000. But you could probably say that Bitcoin ETF was rejected. It's not actually the truth, and I'll prove it. So we found some interesting info from one of the influencers. So only one ETF wasn't approved, and it was Winklevoss Brothers ETF, and they have no influence, no authority, and their ETF had a lot of problematic moments, which became a formal reason for refusal. ETF CBOE will be approved since there are no problematic moments that caused the refusal of the twins. Those moments are: ETF CBOE will be fully insured against all problems like hack, loss of your keys, and so on. ETF CBOE is based not on exchange rate, but on real rates with OTC on real transactions confirmed by trust sources. And in addition, the CBOE has a much greater weight, influence, and credibility than all other organizations whose ETFs has been denied. Unlike futures, ETF approval will require a real buyout of BTC from the market, which will be the main reason for the growth. Here we got information that current SEC Bitcoin ETF deadline is September 24th. According to legal expert Jake Chervinsky, the SEC can and probably will delay its decision on Bitcoin ETF until March 4th, 2019. And that's why our long-term prediction is very bullish, because after Bitcoin ETF is approved, the price will go to the moon. And one more interesting stuff, it's the Bitcoin dominance chart, and as we can see, Bitcoin dominance reached its trend line. And in short term, we expect altcoin price to overperform Bitcoin price.
Let's move to our favorite ICO projects, and the first one is VITE, and it will be officially listed on OKEx. So if you hold a bit of it, you would better fix your profits now. Now it's a very awful news about NKN.
Yeah, but it's probably awful news for us, but probably somebody could...
The best news for Polymath holders.
Owners, yeah,
Yeah,
holders.
so top 3 winners of Binance Community Coin of the Month contest, Mithril, NKN and Libra Credit, were disqualified, and the winner is Polymath with only 1% of votes. It's very bad for us because after that announcement, NKN lost a lot of its price. And let's go to the Origo.Network project. They finally checked and verified most of KYC, and now you can see such an announcement. And if you see this announcement, you are okay and you can participate in their pre-sale. Also, they announced that there are 239 people who have obtained a pre-sale allocation, but they were not able to update their KYC status. So those 239 allocations would be split among the participants from first 2 rounds. So I would like to recommend you to check all your accounts. Maybe you will be the lucky one to get that allocation. If you still don't have a pre-sale allocation, you can upload a creatively made picture or video containing the slogan "Origo is privacy" with the hashtag Origo privacy on Instagram. And now let's speak about Ankr network project. It's a very high interest project by ICO drops, and it sold nearly $16 million on pre-sale, so only $2.7 million left for public sale. And it would be really interesting to participate in, if not the prices on private pre-sale. You can see that they were very good, and some people on pre-sale were able to get something like 100% bonus based on the price on public sale. So I would suggest to participate in that project only if the price of Ether rises a lot since the private pre-sale. That's all for today.
Folks, if you don't want to miss the main opportunities in the top ICO projects, follow us in our Telegram groups, because we post there all the updates as soon as we know them. And subscribe to our YouTube channel, smash up the like button, and stay tuned.